experiment help us to distinguish the comparison between two solutions, the saturated solution and unsaturated solution. Materials: teaspoon, salt, glasses. Put 3 teaspoons of sugar in label A. Then stir. Put 1 teaspoon of sugar in label B. Then stir. Observe the difference.
And now, we will make our conclusions about it. After we do the experiment, we will make our conclusions.
Therefore, we conclude solution A is unsaturated solution and solution B is unsaturated solution.
Let me think, what is a saturated and unsaturated solution? Saturated solution is a solute that cannot dissolve anymore. On the other side, unsaturated solution is a solution that can, or the ability to dissolve all the substance or the specific material.